Handmade gifts always mean more, and today I'm teaching you this beautiful Malaysian jade bracelet step by step. I am using 8mm Malaysian jade green beads. I've got two 6mm jump rings, two bells, a charm of your choice. I'm using a heart charm. I'm just going to add two rhinestone spacer beads and then add the other bell. And here I've got a piece of chain 3 inches long that I'm going to add to the bracelet. I've got some 0.6 elastic and my 2 pairs of pliers. So I'm going to cut myself a piece of 0.6 elastic. Remember, when you finish your elastic, put it in a clear bag, otherwise it will dry out and go brittle. I've got a stationery clip to hold everything in place. Please excuse, this is dried glue for my junk journaling. So we'll give this a stretch. Don't use your nails. I have shared a video because I do like to chat. I'll link it above for you, just like an update, what I've been up to, and asking how you all are. These are new, I wanted to get some, and they are available in lots of different shapes. Teddy bear and octagon. So I am going to start on this one here, so I can hide the knot. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find most of the supplies I use in my videos. There you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I still have my 10% offer for £10 spend. So it's the first time I've used this, so I will double check what the length of the bracelet is and let you know how many beads I've used. See, bells and large hole beads are very good at hiding your knot when you make jewellery. Let's measure. 7 inches, exactly 7 inches. So if you wanted 7.5, add an extra bead, 8 inches, another 2 beads. So I've used, I've used 22 beads for a 7-inch bracelet. So I'm just going to go ahead and tie the bracelet. So we do a simple overhand knot. The same again, but we go over twice. And that's the start of our surgeon's knot. And then we have one the other way. Because we also have the bell, I am going to do one for luck as well. You don't have to, but just to be doubly sure, because it is elastic as well. It's not a heavy bracelet. So I'm just going to snip those ends off and hide it in the bell. So I'm then taking a jump ring. So I'm going to thread it through the chain, and then we want our dangle. So I'm going to put it this side. Close. That one. There we go. And then take another jump ring. These are nice and strong, 6 millimeters. Thread that through. Chain. And then close. And just by adding that little bit of chain, it changes it up. You don't have to have it as long as I've done it. But it's just something to think about that you can add. I mean, it's nothing special. It's just some chain. It's just loose chain that you can buy. I can already see so many different possibilities of what you could do with a black gothic themed bracelet as well with this chain. See, so many ideas, but so little time. So I hope you find that video useful. If you can, like the video, subscribe to the channel and click on that notification bell. I have hundreds of tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. I go right back to the very basics of what is a jump ring, what is a lobster clasp. If you can leave a comment down below, it just helps the YouTube algorithm see the interaction and they share my videos out to more people. So thank you for watching, take care everyone, and happy crafting!